This is how to do your work 10 times more efficiently and actually get things done more quicker so you stop procrastinating. I catch myself doing this like 2 years ago, and whenever I wanted to come up with ideas, make a script or something, I would go on Instagram, on YouTube, try to think in my head some of the ideas, and I continued scrolling, I continued thinking for 2 hours. I couldn't find the way how to get ideas more quicker and how to get things done more easier. Whenever I got the idea, I actually procrastinated on doing the work. So I've got the idea, I've got everything set up correctly, but I couldn't focus and actually get the things done. So the thing that would used to take me 3 hours to do was done in like 6 to 7 hours because I couldn't focus. I couldn't get things done efficiently. The first thing that will help you with this is actually taking action in your mind. So you need to take 15 to 20 minutes out of your day, go sit in a quiet room or go to the balcony, get some fresh air and actually think for 15 to 20 minutes. Think, bro, like think, get your phone out of the room, tell your girlfriend to shut the fuck up and actually think. So 15 to 20 minutes of clearly thinking and focusing on your mind, not your devices or hearing notifications get you distracted. So move your phone out of the room, your laptop, your everything. Just sit in a quiet room or go to the balcony. Think for 15 minutes and ideas will come up alone. Like they will come up so easily. You will think every single day just to get ideas. So you can get 4 to 5 video ideas, for example, for YouTube by just thinking for 15 minutes. And that's literally done for your week. That's literally getting your YouTube videos done for the whole week. You can do this for short form, for your business, for anything. Just focus 15 minutes to 20 minutes alone thinking. And this will alone help you so much. I tried to do this a few times. I needed to get into the state of actually doing it. You cannot do it immediately if you're a focused man. You need to try this 1 to 2 days and you actually will get it like on the third day or something. If you're a focused guy, you will get it right on the first try. So 15 to 20 minutes of clearly thinking will get you ideas. That's the first thing. The second thing, you need to take action, actual action. So if you have 6 hours of your actual work for today, you can do it in like 3 hours with focused work. How do you do focused work? You sit in a quiet room, turn off your phone or move it out of the room, preferably move it out of your room. Tell your girlfriend to shut the fuck up for 3 hours. Your mom, your dad, everybody who's distracting you. Tell your friends you're working. Like for that 3 hours, you can get so much done that you can't even fathom. Like the 6 hours you used to get things done will be done in like 3 hours. Okay, so sit in a quiet room, get your laptop, get your to-do list and start taking the boxes one by one. And the 3 hours of you just focusing to this little device here will get you so much more money, so much more free time, so much more efficient work done. Let's say if you have 12 hours of work for today, you can get it done in 6 hours of focused work, man, of focused work. Things that actually distract you are the messages from your friends, from your mom, dad, girlfriend. The actual things you see on YouTube, for example, you see a clip how to make 50K per month in 1 month. Like you get distracted and you click on it and you start watching. No, you finish your work first. And the things you actually want to watch and want to do come after. After you have saved yourself 6 hours of work or 3 hours of work because you have done focused work, not just usual work you do that is not focused. The third thing, how to actually get things more efficiently done for today. You do the hardest thing in the morning first. Let's say you have sales calls, maybe 2 hours of sales calls. You do it first thing in the morning. Or maybe training. Do 1 hour of training first thing in the morning. The hardest thing you do in the morning, the easier things will be done for the rest of the day. After you have finished the hardest thing, you will get everything much more easily done and you will finish it with ease, every other task after that. So do the hardest thing first in the morning because it launches fire in your blood. Take this seriously. Take this seriously and actually take action on it. You watch this video to get some ideas, but you won't make any progress if you don't actually implement it in your life. So do the hard thing first in the morning. It actually launches fire in your blood. The human's nature is, if you do the hardest thing first in the morning, the other tasks will be so easily done because you will get dialed in. You will be so dialed in because you finish the hardest thing first. You will be proud of yourself and you will get motivated even more to finish the other tasks you have for the day. And you will actually tell your girlfriend, shut the fuck up, without a problem. You will tell your friends, fuck off, without a problem, because you did the first thing in the morning that is hardest. Nobody can distract you if you do the hardest thing first. So do hardest things first in the morning and everything will come with ease. And you will finish your work 10 times more faster. That's what I have implemented in my life and it helped me so much. I got so much more free time. I can literally live my life freely. Like I don't stress about finishing the work because I do it focused and I finish it very, very fast. That's a quick one from me, legends. So see you in the next video. If you want to work with me or my team, go text me on Instagram and we will make your content and your business skyrocket in a month. So that's it for today. Comment the video ideas you want to see next in the comments and that's it. Love you boys. See you.